Hey, to update your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, first of all, you have to be connected into the Wi-Fi or mobile data, but I will actually highly recommend you to be connected into the Wi-Fi because the updates are, in the most cases, very big and it will actually take a lot from your mobile data. Then go to the settings, and now you will have to keep scrolling until you go into the system. Then you will have to go for software updates, and right here you will find information if your Pixel is up to date. As you can see in my case, I've got the latest version of the software, but if you click here, your smartphone is going to check. You can also do this one more time to be sure that you have really the latest version, and yeah, that's basically how it looks. If you have the new version, you'll be able to find the download and the installation button, and you will have to follow on-screen instructions. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.